In this intriguing clip, a random man is observed hiding in front of a house porch, seemingly trying to avoid detection or remain inconspicuous. The reasons behind his actions remain unclear from the footage alone. However, as the clip progresses, we witness him discreetly following an individual who appears to be unrelated to the homeowner. The clip leaves room for interpretation, and without further information, it is challenging to determine the exact motive or circumstances surrounding this mysterious encounter. In this strange clip, we observe a random man exhibiting erratic behavior and talking to himself in front of a random house. His constant movement and inability to stand still suggest that he may be under the influence of some substance. While it is impossible to definitively determine if he took drugs without further information or professional assessment, his behavior aligns with the typical signs of substance intoxication.
You ain't gonna be over there trying like that. Hey baby, you running in? I'm gonna send them white neighbors tonight. See what they on. See what they on. We gonna see what they doing.
In this unfortunate clip, we witness a porch pirate seizing the opportunity to steal a yellow toolbox that was left unattended outside of a house, even in broad daylight. These incidents serve as a reminder to always remain vigilant and take precautions to protect our belongings, as thieves are opportunistic and can strike at any time. In this next clip, we witness another incident of porch piracy, but this time under the cover of darkness. A brazen porch pirate seizes the opportunity to steal a random bike that was left unattended outside a home in the middle of the night. In this intriguing clip, we witness a fortunate turn of events for a vehicle owner. As two individuals approach a vehicle under the cover of darkness, their intentions appear clear: to steal the contents inside. However, their plans are abruptly disrupted by the alertness of a Ring doorbell camera. As they approach the vehicle, the Ring doorbell camera detects their presence and issues a loud warning, "Hi, you are being recorded." Startled by the unexpected encounter, the would-be thieves quickly realize they are being watched and recorded. Caught off guard, the two men immediately change their course of action, retreating in the opposite direction. The power of surveillance technology proves its effectiveness in deterring criminal activities and safeguarding our property.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
In this captivating clip, we witness the incredible instincts of a loyal and vigilant canine companion. As an intruder brazenly attempts to infiltrate a property under the cloak of darkness, he is met with an unexpected and formidable obstacle, a brave and watchful dog. The clip starts with the intruder cautiously approaching the property, likely unaware of the presence of the vigilant guardian within. As he makes his move towards the entrance, a sudden eruption of barks fills the air. The homeowner's loyal dog, sensing the presence of an intruder, springs into action to protect its territory. The intruder is taken aback by the sudden burst of sound and immediately retreats, deterred by the canine's fierce display. The dog's fierce loyalty and protective nature prove to be an effective deterrent, thwarting the intruder's ill-intentioned plans. In this concerning clip, we witness the audacity of a porch pirate as they brazenly approach a house in broad daylight, taking advantage of unattended packages left outside. While the homeowners are inside, unaware of the impending theft, this opportunistic individual seizes the moment to snatch the unguarded deliveries.
Open the door, Becky. Open the door.
In this unsettling clip, we witness yet another incident of porch piracy as a thief targets a valuable item left unattended outside a house at the middle of the night. This time, it is a telescope that falls victim to the audacious act of theft. As we reach the conclusion of this chilling journey through doorbell encounters, the hair-raising stories serve as a stark reminder of the unpredictable world we live in. If you've been captivated by these tales, remember to subscribe to my channel for more gripping content. Don't forget to comment, share, and hit that like button to show your support.